Good morning, students. In the last class, I discussed about the meaning of account, then I discussed about the meaning of accounting, and at last, I discussed the features of accounting. Today, I am just going to teach you only the meaning of bookkeeping and the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Okay, beta? Now, bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? Now, whenever you are going to maintain any account, basically what you are doing? You have to maintain the record of all the transaction which is involved the money matter. Those transactions are recorded in a particular book in day-to-day basis. That recording of those transactions in a particular book on day-to-day basis is basically called bookkeeping. All of you are knowing, beta. If any of your relatives or your parents are running a business, what you have been noticed? They have a register, they have a book. In that book, they maintained all the record in a particular day, what was the amount of sale, how much the money they paid to some parties, yes or no? And how much they are supposed to get from someone else. Are they maintaining it or not? In a regular basis, in a daily basis. That maintaining of that particular record, कितना पैसा किससे मिलना है, कितना आज हमको किसको दिए हैं, आज कितना का पैसा का सामान आया है, whatever record you are maintaining in a particular book, that maintaining of the record in that particular book is basically called the bookkeeping. You are keeping the record in a particular book, that is why it is called bookkeeping. So what is bookkeeping here? I told you already. Bookkeeping is the recording of financial transaction. Only I told you those things where the money matter has been involved. Only those transactions are written in that particular book, and is a part of the process of accounting in the business. It is one of the part of the accounting systems. Other way also you can write it. Bookkeeping involves the recording on a daily basis of a company's financial transaction. Daily basis, only the financial transaction have been written. Like if you go to a school, you have been noticed, we are writing, you can see Sheetal ma'am or Jovi ma'am, what they are doing, they are writing everything. How much money come, how much bus fees come, how much school fees come, how much money is paid for the diesel, how much money is paid for buying the chalk, how much money paid for buying the papers. So they are maintaining it in daily basis. Per day, how much fees, what is the amount of fees come, how much come for bus fees, how much come for school fees, or all those things have been written there. And on the other hand, how much they spend for buying pen or pencil, or you can say the other things what has been required into day-to-day school. Those things have been written in the regular basis in a particular book. That maintaining that record in the regular basis is called bookkeeping. Okay, but I hope it is clear to you. Now I'm going to discuss the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. At least these 5 points is the most important. The other day I told you लड्डू कैसे बनाता है, लड्डू बनने के लिए क्या क्या चीज चाहिए. There I told you like बेसन का लड्डू बनाएगा तो you can see मैं what have been mentioned है, बेसन चाहिए, चीनी चाहिए, then घी चाहिए और तेल चाहिए. There must be kaju, kismis and some color all mentioned there. I told you the other day. If you write only kaju, kismis and color, you are not going to get the marks. So you have to choose which are the most important points of differences. First thing is nature. So in nature, what write here? Bookkeeping is clerical in nature. What is nature? Clerical. What do you mean clerical? Clerk लोग क्या करते हैं बेटा? They are only writing. So bookkeeping is clerical in nature because here always the writing work is being taken place. कितना आया, कितना गया, किसको कितना दिया. They are not doing anything. Only writing. आने वाला को एक जगह में, जाने वालों को एक जगह में, उधारी किसी का है तो everything. That is what is called clerical in nature. On the other hand, accounting, I told you the definition, analytical and imaginative. They analyze it. कहाँ इतना खर्चा हो गया, कहाँ इतना इससे कम पैसा आया इस महीने में, किस लिए लॉस हो गया, किस लिए ज्यादा प्रॉफिट नहीं हुआ. All those things they have to analyze it and they have to imagine इस साल लॉस हो गया तो अगला साल कितना प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए, अगला महीने में कितना पैसा आना चाहिए, अगला महीने में कितना इनकम होना चाहिए. They have to think about, they have to make a proper planning. That is why it is called analytical and imaginative. You have to imagine it properly with the facts and figures. Next, what is the stage of bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the first stage or the primary stage of accounting. First stage. Bookkeeping कोई भी कर सकता है बेटा. Suppose you are not knowing account. पापा तुमको बोले बेटा एक काम करो, ये कॉपी में तुम लिखते रहो कितना कितना पैसा का सामान बेचा, कितना कितना पैसा किसी को तुम दिया, किसका कितना उधारी है, सब यहाँ पर लिखते रहो. Whatever. So anyone can do it. That is the primary stage or the first stage of accounting. So bookkeeping is the first stage or the primary stage of accounting. On the other hand, accounting is the secondary stage or the second stage or the final stage, you can say, of the accounting. Next, result. In bookkeeping, you are not getting any result. You are not going to come to the result whether the organization has earned any profit or organization has a loss, how much loss, anything. Nothing you are going to know by helping the bookkeeping. It reflects the transaction only. Daily का transaction, कितना आया, कितना गया, daily का basis. You are writing it daily. You are not going to find out the balance and all those things. ऊपर में देखिए जब दुकान तुम खुलने जाता है, तुम देखा तुम्हारे पापा हो, तुम्हारे मामी हो, चाहे कोई भी बिजनेस करते हैं, फर्स्ट दुकान में जाकर क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट रजिस्टर निकाल करके उसके ऊपर में डेट डाल के भगवान को प्रणाम करके देन दे स्टार्ट द बिजनेस. दैट इज द रिजल्ट. सो बुक कीपिंग, शाम में जब पापा घर जाएंगे तो कैलकुलेट करके खाली एक ही चीज बोल सकते हैं, आज इतना पैसा का कमाई हुआ, आज इतना पैसा उधारी में दिए, कि इतना पैसा बकाया में है. व्हाट्सएवर माइट बी, बट ही कैन नॉट से whether organization has a profit or loss or not. It's very difficult to say. So that's why it reflects only the transaction. उस दिन में क्या आया, क्या गया, जो लिखा है वही चीज दिखाई देगा. On the other hand, it shows the financial position of the organization. Accounting will show whether the organization has a profit, whether the organization has a loss, how much profit, everything they are going to show the account. Next, authority of level. Who is doing this work? That is called the authority of level. You write here, bookkeeping is done by the junior staff. कोई भी आदमी, हम तुम कोई भी कर सकते बेटा. On the other hand, accounting is done by the senior staff. Like you must be noticing, Sheetal ma'am is doing all the record, junior staff, and then after that it comes to me. After me it go to someone else. Okay, so they are the senior staffs are doing it. Last one, what is the scope? Here only, what is the scope? How much you can do in bookkeeping? You are only going to record the transaction in bookkeeping. On the other hand, what accounting doing? Account will classify. The other day I told you what will classify. Account will separate the income in one side, expenditure in one side, what point out, like Bakri and I told you, buy ko alag alag karta. Then they summarize it. The other day I told you the meaning of summarize when I told you the features. And then what do? They will summarize it. Then they will come to a conclusion. That is what the accountants are doing, what accounting is doing. Now whenever you are going to write the differences, book mein khali you have to write the full sentence. Like bookkeeping, you write here nature. Nature of bookkeeping is clerical in nature. You write the full sentences. You write only this. You are not supposed to get the full mark as per the council's instruction. So whenever you are going to write the references, it has to be in full sentences. Because this time in the exam also I have seen you, people have written only clerical, imaginative, like this. 2, 4, not like this. You have to write always the full sentences. Here I have written it to make you understand. But when I am telling you the full nature. It is clerical. So you how to write it? Bookkeeping is clerical in nature. Here write here, accounting is analytical and imaginative in nature. So full sentence write. Write here what one? Stage. Right here, bookkeeping is the primary stage of accounting. On the other hand, accounting is the second stage of maintaining accounts. Like that, you write the full sentences. Today I told you two things, meaning of bookkeeping, and then I told you the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. I hope it is clear to you. For up to today, up to this much only. Thank you so much.